Hello friends, so today I'm going to do unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro Max with 256 GB storage and having a 6.7-inch display diagonally. So as you know, gravity will pull it. So here is the first glimpse of box. When you open it, so you find it's a very premium look smartphone. Definitely you have to pay for it. Around 1.34 lakh I paid for this one, but what I got, as you can see here, we have got one USB type C to lightning connector, iPhone 12 Pro Max, some sticker, okay, and one SIM ejector tool and some guidance. Okay, so now I'm just unwrapping the paper which is on the screen, and as you can see that the screen is too much clear as of now. Definitely it is a new phone, and you can see it is around the phone like 3 cameras and one LiDAR scanner, and definitely Face ID. Apple maybe come with the Touch ID in their later version. Okay, so I'll just reboot it. It is a cold boot, I would say, because after a long time I'm booting first time. So yep, and here you can see I need to do setup for this one, so I will not explain each and everything, but first you need to select language and then your country. Then after that you need to do all the data, like either you want to share data with the Apple for analytics or not. So I would share with that, because this is what this is what required for the best interface or best support, because once you will transfer the data to the analytics, then definitely they will debug it, how it was crashing and how it was working at that time. So I need to share, and you can see here two tone display, and I would select appearance as a dark zoom, and welcome to iPhone. That was the bug which you just saw, I would say, but at that end also you will get this working, because once you will update your iPhone with 14.4.3 iOS, so you will get it. And these are the widget for which Apple create and one event. This is one of the part of the event where Apple shows that we have created a widgets which you can drag and drop to your home screen or like that. There's one more thing for this much 1.34 lakh iPad. So I thought, why should I should not go with the Urban Armor Gear case, which is for iPhone 12 Pro Max. So as you can see, this is sturdy. This is sturdy look, and if you will hold that, and you can see that it is really good cover. Okay, so I will try to fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max in this case. Oh, good. So not tough. Here, like you can see, this change the look of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because it will not show the Apple logo. But okay, you don't want to show it, you just want to use the premium feature of a premium phone. So here is the another video of okay, after that video I just recorded the slow motion. I tried to zoom it up to 3 times. I can zoom it. This is the 3D scanner app with LiDAR scanner. So I tried to capture my RR310, and as you can see, that file I can transfer to my Mac, and I can do some editing. Thank you all for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.